What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Now, inside this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful and easy method you can make some quick money just from your smartphone. Now, real quick, I'm going to pop on the screen some results that I've been able to make just using this method, so you can see the amount of money that you could potentially make when you follow what I'm going to share with you. Now, before I dive any further, you do have to be in the United States of America in order to do this method. On this channel, I have a lot of other methods that people from all over the world can actually do. But if you have a smartphone and you're in the United States of America, follow along in this quick video and follow me as I do it step by step. It's going to be easy if you just do the steps as you watch it, rather than trying to watch the video and then go back through and do it again and again. Okay, so watch this video through, take action on it as I walk you through, and you're going to start to be able to make some money very easily and very quickly. Now, in order for this to work, the first thing you need to do is you need to get a smartphone and you need to install an app. Okay, now we're going to be using an app called Dosh for this actual method. Now, in a second, I'm actually going to show you my phone over the shoulder so you can see actually how it works. But basically, all you're going to do is you're going to go and install the app at the link below. At the link below, you're going to click that. It's going to take you, if you're on your smartphone right now, it's going to take you to the Google Play Store or the App Store on your phone, and you're just going to click and install that app. It takes a few seconds, and once it's installed, what you're going to do is just link a debit or credit card to that app. Now, don't worry at all. It's not going to charge you anything when you add your debit or credit card, but it is going to instantly give you $5 into your account that you can actually use as real money. Okay, so you're instantly going to get $5 just for doing this in a few seconds at the link below. But what you're also going to be able to do, and how you're going to be able to make tons of money very quickly, is every time you share your referral link that you get access to when you install that app and add your credit card or debit card to it, once you get your referral link and you share that on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, every time someone goes through your link, installs the app, and links a debit or credit card, just like I'm doing and sharing in this video, you're gonna get $10. Okay, so just imagine if you had just 5 friends that would do this quickly, you're instantly gonna get $50. Okay, so, and the money's gonna get deposited into your account, and then you can withdraw that whether into a PayPal account or your bank account. Okay, this is absolutely incredible, and the results I showed on the screen was from this method. Okay, it's very incredible. People have been doing this, and it's very, very powerful. So when you click the link below in the description from a smartphone, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You just want to click install. Now, once you've installed it and opened it, you just want to click the bottom right button that says join Dosh. Then you want to enter your phone number. Now, they won't text or call you. They just want to make sure that you're real, so you can go ahead and verify this account. Now, I've already withdrawn quite a bit of money, so I just have $15 left in my account, as you can see at the top right. But once you're in here, you're going to get taken to the next step, which is just to link a verified credit or debit card. Now, it could be your card, it could be your parents' card, but you just need to link a debit or credit card to this account, and that way you will get the $5 into your account, and then you can start referring it. Now, I already have a debit or credit card linked to my account, so I can't do it again, but that's the next step. Now, as a side note, the main purpose of this app is to actually use it to get cash back. So when you spend money at Mattress Firm, Payless, Chevron, etc., Pizza Hut, you'll get a certain percent of that cash back just by using their app. So it's a benefit just to use it anyway. But if you want to start making money with this, referring other people, the next step after you click the link below and you link a debit or credit card to it is to click the refer at the very bottom, the refer tab. Now that's going to link you to this, and you're going to get your own referral code. Now you're just going to click copy my unique link, and then you want to share that. Now there's more ways to share, as it shows. You can do SMS, you can post on Facebook, tweet, and even more, and it will walk you through the steps there. Or I want you to actually, when you go through the link below, email me at the email in the description below, and I'll share with you the exact post that I made on Facebook to get tons of people commenting. So I referred them, and then I started making money in this app, and I'll actually share that for free just for going through my link today. All right, my friends, so thanks so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you. If you did, be sure to leave me a like, leave me a comment below, letting me know if this helped you, if you want me to make more videos like this. And last but not least, go ahead, go to the link below. It will open in your smartphone, and install the app, add a debit or credit card, get that $5 instantly into your account so you can start using that, and then go ahead and shoot me an email. I'll share with you the copy paste ad and walk you through how to do this. Okay, so thanks so much, my friend, and I will catch you on the next video.